provided that, but it's something for you guys to understand that if you see that 3i is a 0, then we know negative 3i is also a 0. Always, 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 always. Always have those conjugate pairs, because i's and the irrational zeros always come from introducing the square root where you have the plus or the minus. Now again, just like we did on your quiz, guys, everybody should have done the same steps. These are your zeros. Set them equal to x. Okay, if you have char time finding the factors, set them equal to x, and then set them equal to 0. Again, with the fraction, we don't want to subtract 1/4. We want to multiply by 4 and then subtract a 1 to get it equal to 0. Here, we'll just subtract 3i on both sides. Here, we'll add 3i to both sides. Now, I have written my factors equal to 0. If I want to write the equation, x minus 3i times x plus 3i times 4x minus 1. OK? So if I'm going to be multiplying these out, preferred way to multiply these out, guys, is just use these two. And then again, do you guys notice this is difference of two squares? So again, all we need to do is multiply the first two terms and the last two terms, because the middle terms are going to add to 0. So when I multiply this out, x times x is x squared. Negative 3i times 3i is going to be a negative 9i squared. Come back to that in a second. Times 4x minus 1. Now, what did we say that I squared represented? Negative 1. So if I replace I squared with negative 1, negative 1 times negative 9 is now positive 9. Then we go 4x minus 1. And now I can just multiply again. So x squared times 4x is going to be a 4x cubed. X squared times negative 1 is a negative x squared. 9 times 4x is going to be a positive 36x. 9 times negative 1 is negative 9. And there you go. We wrote the equation. Now, I'd like to give you guys one last problem.